Hi everyone, I'm Carmela Joy Fontanilla Quaresma from province of Aurora.
Alright, Carmela, how are you right after nung manalo ka sa Binibining Aurora?
Yes, right now nag-enjoy po ako sa journey ko dito sa Miss Cosmo World Philippines. I'm over the moon pa rin po hanggang ngayon.
Anyway, congratulations for being one of the official candidates sa Miss Cosmo World Philippines 2023.
Thank
So,
you po.
how was your journey here so far?
So far, it's tiring but at the same time nag-enjoy po talaga ako. Ganun po talaga pag para sa pangarap, kailangan natin ng tiyaga at sipag.
Exactly. And is this your first national pageant?
Yes, it's my first national pageant po. So, talagang I'm working hard for it po talaga to make my province proud po. Even it's my first time. So, I'm hopeful po talaga to make my province even more prouder of me.
I'm just wondering, how was your preparation here at Miss Cosmo World Philippines?
If nung Binibining Aurora is talagang double, ngayon naman triple. So, talaga pong unti-unti namin nihimay from Q&A to my walk dahil national pageant na po to kaya hindi na biro ang maging relax at makampante sa kung ano man yung natutunan ko before. And every day is we need a little improvement day by day. So it's a big help na rin po sa akin na araw-araw nag-i-improve kahit paano.
Alright, who trained you for your Q&A and as well as your pasarela?
I have my team behind me, the Team Aurora. So yung team ko po before sa Binibining Aurora. So nadagdagan lang po talaga sila.
Alright, and how are you excited for this Miss Cosmo World Philippines?
Yes, I'm so very excited. It's my first time. So, it's my first time din na makarampa sa mas malaking stage. So kahit ako na-excite ako kung ano magiging outcome, no magiging lakad ko, no magiging performance ko. So, I hope na hanggang dulo, yung supportan niyo po is nandun.
Is there also a national costume ba?
Yes po, Filipiniana po.
So far, taga saan naman yung designer?
So, syempre po, we would like to acknowledge our local designers to Aurora Province. So, galing pa rin po sa bayan natin.
Wow, so lahat ng mga isusuot mo, from evening gown and as well as mga OOTD mo for this competition is coming from Aurora.
Yes po, and pero po may mga nag-sponsor din po from mga well-known designers din po. So, abangan nyo na lang po sila kung sino yun.
Ay, bongga. Mukhang more pasabog si Carmela.
Yes po.
Anyway, sige, your message na lang to your kababayan sa Aurora and as well as your fans and supporters as well.
Hi everyone! Andito na tayo sa bigger stage and mahal na mahal ko kayo. Alam niyo naman yun. Since day one, nandyan kayo. Kayo talaga yung nag-push sa akin. Para sa inyo to. Kasi kayo talaga yung nag-push sa akin na pumunta dito, na i-aim to, i-grab to. So, laban na to hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para sa iyo. Mahal ko ang Aurora.
Thank you so much, dear, and best of
Thank you
luck
so
sa journey
much
mo.
po.